Hello to another video on ChatGPT and making money online. Today's topic is a bit more advanced, but if you are just a normal WordPress user, it can get handy. In this video I will show you that ChatGPT can write WordPress plugin, it can code, it can do minor things. It's not like it will not replace developers, don't worry developers. But I will tell it to write a plugin that adds a sentence to learn more. Subscribe to our newsletter after the first paragraph of the content. So let's see how it will do. As you can see, it explains in plain text what you need to do, and it will actually give you the code for the plugin. Here it is now coding. This is a pretty clever thing that he has done. Anyway, you can copy this code, put it inside file, upload it in your MU plugins folder and activate and see if it's working. Of course, you can modify things, but as you can see, you can make money writing small WordPress plugins or small shortcodes. So you can put this plugin give this plugin for free, or you can build more complex plugins or do some more complex coding, or you can make a living as a so-called junior developer. So the idea is that ChatGPT helps us not to like Google things and then go through like 10-20 websites to find a solution, but rather explains and give us the code on how to do it. Please subscribe to this video and don't forget to like it.